But inward journey, you don't need any more techniques. What you need is turning the awareness back to yourself and just watching yourself. Just that. Be aware of yourself. And don't manipulate anything. Don't manipulate your body. Don't manipulate your mind. Don't play with your mind. Don't narrate your mind. Don't narrate your emotion. Just learn to sit with yourself without the technique. And after that, the next step is tracing the mind backward. If you want to be free from your mind, you got to trace your mind. If you want to be free from your emotional suffering, you got to trace your emotion. Why you experience whatever the things you're experiencing emotionally or mentally. That is the direct way to understand, or direct way to see why there's an emotional fluctuation and a mental fluctuation in one's life. We gotta be direct. We gotta be direct. We gotta trace our experience back. Whatever mental conflict you have at this moment, whatever emotional fluctuation is going right now in your life, whatever fear you're experiencing, you gotta trace back. Tracing back is the way to figure out the root cause of our surface fluctuation. Tracing back is the way to uproot the root as well. Tracing back is the step not present in spiritual seekers most of the time. And if people who are aligned with the tracing back work, and if you're not there yet to see the truth, you got to continue tracing back and not give up your tracing back. When you're tracing back the mind, people get bored. When you get bored in